Top-performing labs don't just clean, they prevent contamination before it starts. What's your lab's cleaning routine? Cleanliness isn't just about appearance, it's about protecting research integrity, equipment, and personnel. Without proper contamination control, unseen microbes and chemical residues can compromise results, damage instruments, and create safety risks. LabCare Antimicrobial Spray and Disinfectant solutions from Biomedicals provide a simple and effective way to maintain a contamination-free workspace. Whether for incubators, biosafety cabinets, lab equipment, or workbench, LabCare eliminates microbes and residues without damaging surfaces. In the cell culture room, spray weekly with LabCare Cell Culture Room Antimicrobial Spray. For incubators, spray and wipe the surface after removing cultured cells. For best results, use the LabCare Incubator Antimicrobial Spray and Water Disinfectant solution to maintain a sterile environment in the incubator and prevent microbial contamination. And don't forget the water bath. Use the LabCare Water Bath Disinfectant solution weekly to inhibit and remove microorganisms in water baths. LabCare Antimicrobial Spray and Disinfectant solutions provide broad-spectrum protection against bacteria, viruses, and fungi, efficiently remove chemical residues and organic matter while providing long-lasting protection for up to 10 days. A consistent cleaning process ensures lab safety and research reliability. A clean lab is a high-performing lab. Protect your research with LabCare Antimicrobial Spray and Disinfectant solutions. Start today. Visit www.mpbio.com or contact us for more details.